morning and welcome to your Eagles Nest Lab for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Macy.
Hello, I'm Logan.
Hello, I'm Allie.
And I'm Courtney, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Monday, September 21st.
Congratulations to senior Nathan Payne on being named a 2021 National Merit Scholarship Program semifinalist. Nathan scored among the top 1% in the state of Kentucky on the PSAT exam last October. He also scored in the top percent in the nation and will now compete in the program to move to the next level, which is National Merit Finalist Scholar. This is a huge achievement, Nathan. We are all so proud of you.
This information is for any student interested in running for student council. An email was sent to the entire student body at 8 a.m. this morning. Students who are interested in participating on the council will need to read the email carefully. If you have questions, please email Mr. Mason Head or Ms. Tana Small.
During Orange Light Status, ESS tutoring sessions will be available in science, math, English via Google Meet each Tuesday and Thursday afternoon from 3:30 to 4:30. The first ESS session of the school year begins tomorrow, Tuesday, September 22nd. Students must register using their school email each day that the tutoring session is needed. You can find the ESS registration link under the Students Quick Link tab on Apollo's homepage. Immediately following the registration, an email will be sent with a Google Meet link to join the tutoring session. If you plan to attend, be prepared to ask questions.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. If you would like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school office at 270-852-7100 to make an appointment. You may also email the AHS Spirit Store manager, Ms. Kim Myers, at kim.myers@davis.kyschools.us.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on Orange Light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup areas.
We want to wish good luck to the JV football team as they play Owensboro Catholic this evening and the boys golf team as they play at Ben Halls this afternoon. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. Happy Monday to everybody. Wanted to remind our staff we're going to be welcoming our Group A freshmen this Wednesday. We look forward to seeing you freshmen in the building. Just a reminder for our freshmen, be sure to have your masks with you, and you'll be going through the early morning routine of having temperature checks, and we will process the day for you and get you started. So teachers and staff, I sent out an email just a few minutes ago to explain that we need to have our normal assembly broadcast through ENL, and so please pay close attention to that email. That assembly on Wednesday will take place starting at 10 o'clock. That's during second period. Also, a reminder to our staff that we still have a few people that need to get the training out of the way, the video that Nurse Laura sent out. Make sure that you watch that video. It's a little bit less than 30 minutes, and then sign that you've watched the video in Miss Lynn Ferguson's office. No birthdays today. No student birthdays today, if you can believe it, in Eagle Nation. Let's make it a great day.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.